So I'm basically going to start sharing with you some of the stuff that really cost me, I would say, a fortune here in the last 2 3 days, which was on Friday, the first day that happened to me. Basically, I was up of about $800, and then out of nowhere, what happened? I had one of my relatives come. Oh, but look, you're making, let's say, $800. You can make a lot more if you just do it in a different way. That like when you see it starting to go up, just put a bet in a sense that it's going up. When you see that it's flipping, just put a bet that it's going down and everything, and risk on a trade instead of $100, risk $400, $300. Who cares? You will make that money back, right? One moment. Well, it might sound right, but what happened? I actually fucked up big time. Okay, and why did I fuck up? I will tell you. I made in those 2 days losses that I never would have done. Okay, let me just share with you very quickly. What you can see, right? It's a couple of things. Here on that day, my losses were 1677, which also with that you can see made 68 trades. You know what is 68 trades? Let me show you. 68 trades makes you pay $300 in commission. So that's a very big deal. Yesterday, I made 20 trades, $100 almost in commission, a total of 600 something. Even Trade Zelo saying overconfident, you like way over confident on trading, which is not good, right? So what you can see, I had here over $5,000, $4,000, and I had positive for the week was over 1,000, almost $2,000 at one time, because I had those. It was basically, instear of the minus was a plus. And what happened in the last couple of days, I way over traded and not healthy. So I was thinking, okay, what am I doing that's costing me that? What is it? So number one, no patience. Number two, I'm trading also on the futures, right? I'm trading a lot of it based on emotions. Okay, and you see this was the gap up. This was the gap up. Not based on emotions, but I'm not trading my plans. I'm trading based on 1 minute time frame, right? So that's the not good part. Also, I'm trading to make money, not to improve a process. That's very bad too, right? You need to make sure that you trade to improve the process. Okay, so stuff like that. Like, let's an example here. You know how many times I entered that it will go higher, but and the result it went higher, but on the way took all my money out. You know, so it's something that you really have to be considering about. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So now I'm starting to play with micro e-mini Nasdaqs, right? Micro. So then I can, have a bit more room, follow a plan and everything of that sort. It's so much more important to make sure that you make it successful, not just over trade. See, it almost was at 500. The highest was today. Highest was it's 61,450. Okay, very nice. Okay. So what you will see me now doing is basically a lot more like planning and structuring my entries and exits based on, let's an example, something like that, right? I had my entry plan here and everything. So I would be entering in such a case of area right here and hold my trade uh, and do something similar with those instruments. So, and we'll mark it low. Now, what we also will mark is 5 minutes. We have this 5 minutes. I think is the best one. But let's say 15, 1 second. You will see how over time and over my videos, what a transformation they'll be coming. Okay, 45, 60. Okay, so we have 30, which is the best in a way. So most likely today we will see a down day, moving a bit more down. Template of 30 minutes. The reason I'm saying that it will be a down day, as I showed you here, the gap up and gap down. So you will see that it's moving with that. See, look what was happening during this time. Yesterday I started to make a bit fewer, but during those days you wouldn't believe the amount of trade that was happening. And each trade, it's like $2.5 for commissions. So let's make a plan on here. Okay, so basically our plan is that it will come here and continue lower, okay, or breaks the pre-market low, and basically we will play that. Now, what we will do, we will play here. I want to play with maximum of 100 shares. Let's see, we have another 7 minutes. Also, if you look at the RSI, okay, the RSI on a daily, you want to see more or less what's happening with the candles and everything. I mean, with the RSI, right? So what it shows you right here, let's say it was oversold, right? See, and then once it's crossed the RSI, you see it's been going down ever since. So right now you can see that it's crossed somewhere here, the RSI again, okay, and it's crossed somewhere here actually, right? And then it's retested and continue to move higher. So you can understand that right now we want to look for those longs. Many times you will hear some people say, oh, look at the trend. Yeah, the trend might look downwards, but the trend is also in a way changing here to go higher. So you want to make sure that you pay attention to those stuff. Okay, so this is on that. Let's see. Daily. Same thing here. You see our side changed. Look how it's moved higher. Somebody was asking me until what price you think Nasdaq will fall, and I said in the areas of 90, and really that's what happened. For myself, I told them and I wish myself that I bought at 90 and just held. It's literally fall to 90 something, 90.6 70 almost, you know? Okay, so this we are okay to play based on 1 minute time frame, and this we are okay to play on a 1 minute time frame. This no 1 minute time frame. We will chart, finish our charting, and then it's based on 30 minutes only. All the futures based on 30 minutes. So we have another 4 minutes. Everything moved. You can see it's a new contract, so everything moved. It changed the contract right here, so everything moved. And no big deal. We have another 3 minutes or less. So once it comes here, right, I want to see the reaction, and I will want to see the reaction in this area, right? Because maybe it will reject, maybe here it will reject, right? So I will need to see its reaction, and then I will need to react to what I'm receiving from the markets. Here also, that was a crazy rally over the last couple of days, because I remember it was at 120 something. Nice, came very close to my last entry price and rallied. Oh, nice. Finally, this rally too, motherfucker. Let me see, where is my Tesla? Let's have a blessed day. Opa, here we go. What I will do, I will also open my order flow. So this, I want to buy 100 here. And just fucking fill me in already, bitch. You see how until it fills me in, it's so high. I'm not entering with this fucking filament. Okay, right there. Okay, exit me right there. On a latest lower, I will enter again. Nice. Just fucking have faster fulfillment. No, блядь. Охуеть. I don't like those stupid fulfillments. Okay, let's see how it's fulfilling me. That price. See, this is a very big mistake, FYI. On a retest, I might enter here. Let me just see. Right there. Right there. 5 minutes. First 5 minutes happening. Another 30 seconds. Yeah, it's going down now. I believe it will go up. The question. Wow, took this out. Yeah, by the time it filled me, it was somewhere here. So I was pissed off. Train. Wow. On a retest here, it tested the low. I mean this, and yeah, I'm probably certain today will be a down day, but let's see. I don't mind giving it like $30. Come on, lower. Take profits. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, moving higher. Nice. Yeah, right now should move lower. I don't like one thing that it's made lower, low, lower, low. I guess it's gonna try and test us. Here we go. 9 seconds. What I was saying today will be moving lower. And it's touched here, pretty much having this gap up in 2 hours. A lot more buying pressure. A lot more buying pressure, which is very interesting. Okay. Come on, lower. Take profits. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, moving higher. Nice. Yeah, right now should move lower. I don't like one thing that it's made lower, low, lower, low. I guess it's gonna try and test us. Here we go. 9 seconds. What I was saying today will be moving lower. And it's touched here, touched here. Pretty much having this gap up in 2 hours. A lot more buying pressure. A lot more buying pressure, which is very interesting. Okay. A lot more buying pressure, but there is massive orders at 19,830. So on the low here. You see, it's not breaking the wicks here, but there is a lot of sellers in this area. So that's a sign of potentially either trapping sellers or moving higher. This, you see, it's a sign that we want to go lower. We want to go lower. See that sign. Too many weeks are rejecting to that, break aggressive, not able to break above. So we want to break lower, but a lot of sellers in this right there. So you see it broke above and it will go aggressively higher. This order not needed. This order also more or less not really needed now. You can see that's going higher. Let's see. So it broke above this VWAP and this VWAP. Should go more lower, but reject and go higher somewhere. Let's see. Even though, as I mentioned at the beginning of the day, it should be a down day, but right here we see that it's made lower, it's made lower. I mean higher there. And what we should see now, let me see here. So those two highs, if that breaks, it will go lower quite a bit. You see how it goes right above the VWAP. So we're risking 40, rounding up. Let's say we're risking 40. We should have here 80, 250, 250 shares we should have. Ooh, nice. So the fact that that's going higher, which I saw the bubbles, very, very, very strong bubbles. Right here, it might need to reject. However, it might also break above aggressively and move higher. Because we're seeing those move higher too. Wow, the last 30 minutes, very powerful high. Wow, very, very, very large sell-off, like seller came in, very large. That defending the market. But it's very hard to short in scenarios like that, that it's been pushing so much higher, you know. See, very hard to short. Wow. It's like tempting to fucking long. $100 that is going higher. This $100, if it's on the minis, E-minis, $2,000. Wow. In 30 minutes. In less than 30 minutes, but you know what I mean. Oh, right there. See, it broke above. Right now, test of that, and it's going higher. All-time high here. Test, and it should go higher more. I don't know. Okay, you know what? Yeah, sure. It can fill me in. Right here. Somewhere there. I would prefer here, because then my stop loss would be roughly here. I wanted to cancel because I like it. Oh, shit. Shit, okay. Because I recognize there is no plan on my end. I don't know why did I get filled right here, but okay. And you see right now it will start selling off like crazy motherfucker. Ooh, hold on, that's two. What? That's exactly what I'm talking about. No plan. There was no plan. Right here, I could have entered because that was my plan from beginning. That's why I put those lines. But I disrespect my plan. Look right to VWAP, and now it's going. It's fucking trapped all buyers that wanted. We'll take another swing lower. Look, came to that zone. Not very happy about that execution. And as I was mentioning on my, reading of this on my, like those bubbles, green bubbles, and then I saw this big red bubble forming. Right, there was this one and that one, and I said, "Wow, there is a lot of sellers coming." Right, and right there you can see massive sellers just came in, just like that. So not very proud of myself for such a trade, and right now you see, based on here, touch there and moves higher, would be able to make so much more if I just follow my fucking plan. Okay. What I want to do, I want to trade my I want to trade based on my plans, have a reasonable plan that I can have a this is for, and say, you know what, that's why I'm gonna trade. Okay, so let's create those plans and figure out. Not, doesn't matter if it's indices, if it's futures. Let's have a plan. That's most important. Let's start. Okay, I will make another video starting with that, and I will be right back.